Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about how to run your Mocha test from command line. For understanding this, I've created a folder called test and created one Mocha test file. So it is a very simple test file which contains a describe and it in it. So even in it, I'm just logging the console log, that's it, saying test is complete. Now let me try to run this file. So the command that we use to run this Mocha files is Mocha path to our directory test slash and our file name. Enter. So I got an error saying Mocha command not found. This is because I have installed Mocha in my current project's node modules, but it is not present globally. So what I can do is I can use the Mocha available in this node modules to execute this file. So how can I do it? Dot slash node modules dot bin Mocha and then path to my test files dot test dot js. So now my test is executed. So my suite name is test suite, test name is test complete, test name is test function, and the log that I'm logging here is test complete. And I have one test and it is passing. Now let's say I don't want to use this entire path. So then we need to install Mocha globally. How can we do it? npm install Mocha -g. So it is installing Mocha globally. And once the installation is done, right, now we need to check whether Mocha is installed properly or not. So it is already giving us some logs, but we can also verify whether Mocha is installed in the global folder. So how can we do it? So npm list -g, enter. Now this will tell us where exactly our Mocha module is installed globally, or where exactly all the npm modules are installed globally in my machine, and whether Mocha is installed or not. So in my machine, so in the global folder, right, where all npm modules are installed, only Mocha is installed. I've installed it just now, and I can go ahead and see what's there in this location as well. If you look at it, Mocha is present, it is installed. Now let's go back. Now let's try to run this command Mocha test slash test.js. See, now it is executing my test. So earlier we used the mockup that is present in our node modules in our project directory. Now we are using Mocha that is present in our global folder. That's the difference between these two. Now let's say there are multiple tests here. Let me copy and paste it. Let me rename it to something called test1. And here, even here I will say test suite 1 and test function 1. Now if I want to execute all Mocha test files present in this folder, right, what I can do is Mocha test and enter. So it will execute all tests present in this folder. Now let's say I have another folder inside it, test2. This is a folder name, and here I have one more file. Let me rename it to test2, and even here let me rename it. Now if I run the same command, right, Mocha test, it will not execute the test file present in this test2 folder. It will only consider these test files. Now if I want to run the internal folders as well, right, if I want to run the Mocha files present in the internal folders as well inside this test, now I need to tweak my command a little bit. So I can say test slash star at the end. Now if I click enter, if you look at it, right, we have 3 tests that are executed. Now apart from this executing our Mocha command here, right, we can also do one more thing. So in our package.json, so we can add a script tag. Let me delete all the existing script tags that I have. So how can we do it? Let me say regression suit colon whatever command we have specified in a command prompt before, right? I will use the same command, test slash star. Now if we want to specify timeouts here, you can specify that to timeouts 0. If you want to execute your Mocha test in parallel, you can say parallel. And if you want to specify how many tests that has to be executed, you can say hyphen jobs. Let's say 2. So what we are specifying here, we are asking Mocha to execute tests in parallel, and at a particular point, right, only 2 test files should be executed in parallel. Now, in order to instead of running Mocha and then the folder name, right? Now we will run npm run, and then whatever name that we have given here, right, under script tag, we will use it. Regression suit. Enter. Now, if you look at this, right, only 2 tests are executed. So test present in my test2 folder is not executed. So if you want to include this as well, right, what we have to do is we have to specify one more file path saying dot star dot star dot chase. Now all the files present inside this test folder and also all the files present in the subfolder of test folder will be executed. Now let me run this again. Now all my 3 test files are executed. Test files present in the test directory and also its child directory. So all 3 are executed. This is how you execute Mocha test from command line. So hope you understood the concept now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.